In this video, I'll show you how to connect and use your SD card on your MacBook Air M4. So let's get started. This will apply for a regular SD card, but also for micro SD cards that are mostly used in cell phones and tablets. So the MacBook Air M4 only has two USB Type-C ports and no card reader. Basically, you have two choices. First of all, you can get one of these card readers. Okay, it has a micro SD and a SD card slot over there, and you can use both at the same time. This is nice. So over here, if I connect my SD card there and my micro SD card on the other one over there, it's quite smaller. Like this. As long as it's USB Type-C, you'll be able to connect it and have access to the data that is on the cards. You can achieve the same thing with one of these USB hubs that is again USB Type-C, where you're gonna have some USB ports but also a card reader integrated, and this one also has a HDMI cable input. I'll put links in the description if you want to get any of the things I talked today. Once you have connected your card reader or USB hub, you may have this message, allow accessories to connect. You need to click allow and then open Finder. So go over here, click on Finder, and on the left side under locations, you're gonna see your SD cards. These are the two SD cards I have plugged in my card reader. So you can go ahead and use the file, transfer files, copy files, do everything. And when you're done, you need to eject your card. So over here, you have a small icon that you need to click. And once you do this, the card will be ejected. If you're on the desktop, you can also drag it. Drag your card right down below where you see this icon and the trash release. It will not delete anything, it will simply eject it. And now you can safely disconnect your card reader from the side of your computer. And this is about it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.